super successful cooking class. I have all my fingers. I've just arrived at the Red Bridge Cooking School for, as you can guess, a little cooking lesson. We have already been round the market this morning and then took about a 25-minute ride up the river to this riverside setting where we're going to find our kitchen. My main aim of today, I guess, is to go back with all my fingers and hopefully cook something nice to eat. Let's see how that goes.
Very good. You cook at home? Lovely. Very good. Can you on the table, please?
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You keep outside of this. One ladle, one full ladle. All of it in the middle. Just wait a moment, maybe. Yes. Circle, stirring circle. Inch out, yes, good job. Not too big, yeah.
Wow, show off, huh? Very good, huh? Professional.
Alright.
Yeah, master chef. Better than golden.
Success! These are noodles that I've made, and inside we have my tofu mushrooms. Super successful cooking class. I have all my fingers and I'm really full. Delicious food, but clearly I cooked it, so only have myself to blame if it wasn't. But no, lovely setting, amazing friendly staff, really well organised. So had a great time this morning, and now we're back off into Hoi An town to go and do a little bit more exploring.